Hello everyone, this is gonna be a quick video. I have contacted many manufacturers, those you can see right now on the screen, and asked those companies, will removing or damaging the warranty seal will void warranty in the Europe region. In the Europe, not in the United States or Asia or anything else. This is about Europe. So Asus and I know 3D Gigabyte have responded. If you won't make any physical damage to an electrical component or simply you won't damage anything, your warranty will not be voided. But MSI, Sapphire, ASRock, Palit have responded that it doesn't matter if you damage anything. If you remove or damage warranty seal, your warranty will be automatically voided. What's very interesting was answer of the PowerColor. They haven't responded in simple way that could confirm or deny, if you will, void the warranty. They have responded and it can be treated as they didn't respond. I don't know how to spell it. P and Zodak Gainward haven't responded since even more than a week. So that's pretty long time to wait for the response. I have decided to make the video right now because I don't want to keep you waiting. But if they will reply anytime soon, I will update the video with the comment under it. I will pin this comment. So that's it, that's simply it. Remember, this is Europe region, and for the Asus Inno 3D and Gigabyte, this is really important. That I don't know what customer service you will meet if something goes wrong. This basically applies to all of these manufacturers. You can do anything, you can meet any damage of your graphics card, and you will hit some good man in the service, or you will hit some bad man in the service, and you know, it will not be your fault that your GPU died or VRAM have damage or anything like that, but they will deny your warranty. It can be like that. There is no one big rule that will automatically apply to those answers, but general rule that apply to all of this is you should contact your shop first in the Europe where you bought the GPU. They should decide if repair will be done, if they will send it further. So basically Asus, Inno 3D and Gigabyte are pioneer in the Europe law for the repair, and personally I think all of those warranty seals should be removed. I can stand on their position. It might not be such easy to diagnose if user damaged something or it was because something was faulty from the start, from the beginning, the GPU. But let's be honest, Asus warranty seals aren't anything unique. There are just red circle, the sticker is white and there is only a red ring. You can easily replace it if you want. So placing something like that on one of the GPU screws should be enough for the service to know if someone opened the card or not, but it should not void warranty automatically, because there are many types of users. Some are experienced, some are unexperienced, but replacing the thermopads with, let's say, thermal putty, or repasting the GPU, replacing the thermal paste, thermal compound, is nothing hard and should not void warranty automatically. This is just stupid. In the Europe, some of these manufacturers give you 3 years warranty, but truth is, by the law, at least in Poland, shop is giving you 2 years of warranty, and to be honest, after 2 years, it's up to shop if they will accept your warranty and put it further to the manufacturer service. They can deny, they can accept. It's all up to the shop. So after 2 years, you've got 50-50 warranty. It's all up to luck to what person you will contact. Yeah, that's the European law, and I don't think that's pro-consumer or anything, and that should change anytime soon. That's just my wish, that's just my opinion, but that should change soon. Because replacing the thermopads, maybe it's not something you must do, but after 2 years or longer, repasting the GPU is almost a must, because the thermal paste will be simply pumped out outside of the GPU core, and if the thermal compound is worse quality, it will be simply rock solid, not in the performance but in the physical state. It will lose the conductivity and will simply perform worse. So that's my wish, that should change very soon. I will leave you with the comment section. I want to know your experience. If you have sent something in the service, warranty seal was broken by you, and what was the answer of the GPU manufacturer or the service? What answer did you get? Leave the answers below in the comments, and see you in the next video, probably the Cyberpunk bug compilation. This is the video material that simply is done by itself. I don't need to do anything unusual. I just play the game and capture the quick replay. That's it. So see you in the next video, and I hope nothing will break for you.